Hi, my name is Keith Wolbaum. I'm the Faculty of Science Electronics Technician.
My name's Gervais. I'm the instrument maker for Science Machine Shop.
My job is keeping all the scientific equipment that's here in the faculty in good repair and fixing anything that's broken or not functional.
We've got like a full functioning machine shop. We've got 2 lathes, we've got a mill, a shear, a brake, drill presses, we've got a saw. Actually, we've got 2 saws. Horizontal bandsaw, we've got a vertical bandsaw. We actually have a table saw in the back, cutting wood, plastics, whatever. We work with just about anything here.
Sometimes I have to help people design custom equipment and build it for them, especially interfacing older equipment to newer things. And sometimes one of the more interesting parts of my job is actually building custom equipment for undergraduate labs to do specific experiments.
Materials are different all the time. It could be anything. Various wood, plastics, steels, brass, copper, aluminum, everything.
This is what they call the horizontal collisions apparatus. This is an apparatus that we built for the undergraduate physics laboratory. It's a collisions apparatus, and they use it. Basically what they do is they take 2 ball bearings of different sizes, and they collide and separate. And basically the students then take a photograph of the collision and the 2 balls after the collision, so they know the speed of the ball coming in, and they know the speed of both balls and the angles that they're traveling at after the collision. And from that they can measure the kinetic energy and the momentum and observe that those things are conserved, basically. So I'll demonstrate. This is actually one of the ball bearings. That's the small ball bearing. It goes here. And it's held in position by a small permanent magnet, which is underneath that screen and plate of glass. So if you want to go ahead and demonstrate that, Derek, it's ready to go.